Hi guys, can have another look at this one. I'm convinced that the leak is actually in the hydrogen generator cell there, and I'm just wondering if it's as simple as retightening those 4 bolts that clamp the sides together. So we'll take it apart so we can actually get directly to it. All right, this side I think is the oxygen side. And this side I think is the hydrogen side. Just check that by pulling. Yeah, so this is the hydrogen side. So what we were able to demonstrate last time connect to this side and squeeze that side so that nothing goes through. We can push air in and out, even though we got the other side of it clamped shut. And we re-terminated all these, or both of these connections here, and that made no difference. So we're now looking at tightening these up, see if that'll make any difference. Because what I think we have, well, what I know we have, is 2 metal plates there with a membrane between them, and they're sitting inside a square-shaped hole and clamped together with some sort of sealant around the edges. The oxygen side seems fine. How did I demonstrate that last time? We pull these off. Pull that off there. Put that on there. Squeeze that one shut. You see we've got a vacuum forming as I'm pulling that. So it's shutting itself down again automatically. So the oxygen side seems to be fine. I have got some tubing over there that we might just put on here temporarily so we can test it without having to struggle so much. Well, look. Oh, suddenly went free. What happened there? Ah, I can see bubbles there. Just here, there's bubbles. Hope we can see that on the camera. But that's where our leak is. Right, we're looking on this right-hand edge, where it actually looks a bit mouldy, to be honest. There we go. Still not very clear. There we go. There's our leak. So the question is, what can we do about it? Can we just tighten these up? Or can we actually take it apart and put some sort of sealant around it? I'll try just tightening it for now. Just measured it. 6.84. I need a 7mm hex. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. Okay, well, I've tried tightening those 4 bolts and it's had absolutely no effect. It's still leaking. I don't know if I can actually untighten them, split it apart and put new sealant around it. I've tried briefly and it looks like the blue section is actually glued into this base. So I've tried pushing it up from underneath, pushing there, and it doesn't move. And there's no screws, so that just leaves it being glued in place. So that's a bit of a problem. Looks like it's not going to be a quick fix, even if I purchased a new one of them, would probably still destroy the actual nice container trying to get it out. Because these are available. They're not cheap. I've seen them varying in prices from about £20 all the way up to £70, especially when you include the shipping charges. So I think we may end up just making a hydrogen generator, which is fairly straightforward if you're not worried about it being perfect and clever and running off solar power. Just run it off suitable batteries and we should be able to generate hydrogen so we can actually get the car going. But I don't think we're going to fix that. Or at least I'm certainly not going to fix it today. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.